Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Lakshmi Mahavir. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a all new Mahindra XUV 700 of prices, launching dates and also been features and specifications of the vehicle. So friends, if you have till not subscribed to Lakshmi Mahavir channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Our regular videos get your notification. So friends, let's start the video quickly. The new Mahindra XUV 700 will be offered in two board variants, MX variant and Andronex variant. It's called as AX variant also. Based on this, further 34 trims and expected to be on offer as variants. So friends, now coming to the Mahindra XUV 700 as launched the vehicle as on set the date. The bookings are already as started and the first scheme of 25,000 bookings are already as sold. Now coming to the deliveries of the vehicle comes on October 10, 2021. This 3-row SUV will succeed the current generation XUV 500. XUV 700 will be the first Mahindra SUV to wear the new Twin Peaks of logo ahead of official launch. Several details of this upcoming 5 and 7-seater SUV as coming to the fore and also with the including prices. Seen as a rival to the likes of MG Hector, Tata Harrier, Tata Safari as well as Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos. The new XUV 700 will be offered in 5 and 7 seaters layouts and in petrol and diesel engine options, broadly offered with MX and Andronex AX also called variants. The XUV 700 will come in with a total of 34 trim variants divided on the basis of the engine, transmission and on its seating options. Now Mahindra XUV 700 prices on road leaked. Coming to the prices of the vehicle, the petrol base model starts from MX variant on road Hyderabad comes with 14,93,320 rupees. Coming to the top end variant AX7L luxury variant, prices comes on road Hyderabad with 25,69,079 rupees. And talking about the diesel prices of Mahindra XUV 700, diesel base model MX variant prices start on road Hyderabad with 15,53,085 rupees and top end variant AX7 luxury diesel automatic 7-seater comes with on road Hyderabad diesel 26,40,799 rupees. If you want detail of all the variants of prices and ex-showroom and also with the best value for money of variant, please hit comments for another video. Coming to the added features of all new Mahindra XUV 700 will be equipped with the new front grille with vertical slats, larger LED headlamps with TRLs, fog lamp LEDs situated on the low part of the front bumper and wrap-round split LED taillights. It will ride on alloy wheels and received a boot-mounted number plate. From the first time on, the Mahindra vehicle will also sport a flush door handle setup. Please note that these are not official prices. Mahindra has not revealed prices of all the variants but only of selected entry-level variants. Officially prices of Mahindra XUV 700 will be revealed at the time of launch. The additional features of all new XUV 700, the interior done up with in color schemes of black and BG will be equipped with a digital instrument cluster, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Wi-Fi and Alexa connectivity and Andronex AI system with the phone connectivity. It also received a panoramic sunroof. Mahindra is calling as Skyroof, dual zone climate control and 360 degrees camera. In our India, the most valuable features are safety. Safety is a view level IADAS advanced driving assistance system has been included, emergency autonomous parking brakes, lane keep assistant, adaptive cruise controls. The SUV also receives the total 7 airbags along with the electronic parking brake. The safety features of this price segment is excellent. Last but not the least, finally XUV 700 engines and gearbox options to be offered in petrol and diesel engine options. There will be further categorized according to the variants and seating options. The MX series is being offered only on 5-seater. The base MX variant get powered of 2-liter 4-cylinders Mahindra M Stallion turbo petrol engine unit making 200 bhp of power and 380 Nm of peak torque. Coming to the another engine options, there is also a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder HEM-Havoc turbocharged diesel engine unit that is being offered in 2 states of tune One is which produces 155 bhp of power and 360 Nm of peak torque, and another that makes 185 bhp of power and 420 Nm of torque. Both units will be offered by either 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic gearbox and options. So friends, overall this is a detailed review of all new Mahindra XUV700. If you like the video, please hit like button, and if you still not subscribed to Lakshmi Mahavir channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Our regular videos you will get your notification. So friends, thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Please wear the mask, use sanitizer regularly with the social distance.